Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items in Volleyball Legends. You can easily convert unwanted duplicate items into valuable in-game currency. This simple process allows you to manage your inventory effectively while also earning yen, which is essential for your progression. It's a great way to make use of items you no longer need or have in excess, turning them into a useful resource for your gameplay. When it comes to selling, you'll primarily be looking at duplicate items such as gritty balls and water balls. These are frequently obtained by playing matches, participating in events, or even by spending time in the AFK zone. Always check your inventory for any surplus items. If you have more than one of a particular ball, it's likely a candidate for selling to gain some extra yen. Selling your items is a straightforward process. First, access your inventory from the main game menu. Once inside, locate the duplicate item you want to sell, such as an extra gritty or water ball. Select the item and you should see an option to sell it. Confirm your choice, and the corresponding amount of yen will be added to your balance immediately, making the transaction quick and seamless. To maximize your yen earnings, consider using the AFK zone, which passively grants you yen, and potentially more sellable items like gritties and water balls. Additionally, playing matches with your friends can increase the yen you earn per game. Make it a habit to periodically check your inventory for any new duplicate items you've accumulated, ensuring you're always making the most of your resources and keeping your in-game wallet full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.